Okay, lesson 2-8, subtraction. So today we're going to review subtraction when deciding when we need to regroup and when we can just go ahead and subtract. So if we look at this sheet here, we have 57 minus 29. We just look at the ones column first. So 7 minus 9, okay? If we look here, and I'm going to give myself 57, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7, and then I have to give myself 5 tens for 57. Okay, so I have 5 tens and 7 ones, which equals my 57. So I'm going to ignore the tens, and I'm going to go 7 minus 9, okay? If I have more on the top, no need to stop. If I have more on the floor, I need to go next door and get 10 more. Now I have 57. I have 7 ones, and I want to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have nothing left. I can't, this is not 1, I can't take that away. So first thing I need to do is I need to make some change, and I need to move one of these 10s over here and swap it out for 10 ones, okay? So I still have 10, 20, 30, 40, 57, still 57, but I'm gonna take out this 10, I'm gonna swap it out for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these 10, if I line them up here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We don't want 11. 11 does not equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so all I did was I took away one of these, I moved it over here, and I swapped it out for 10 tens. Okay, so that means I had more on the floor, which means I don't have enough. I need to go over here, take one of these away, because I took one of them away, and that leaves me with 4 tens. And then I'm just going to stick a 1 in front of this number here and make it 17. I had 7, I added 10, so it makes it 17. Now I can subtract, okay? 17 minus 9, okay, here's my 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now I can take away 9, which leaves me with 2, 4, 6, 8. And 4 minus 2 is 2. I mean, yes, 4 minus 2 is 2, so I have 28 left over. Okay, let's take a look at 75 minus 28. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 75. There's 50, 60, 70. Okay, I have 75. I want to take away 28. Again, I ignore the tens. I have 5 minus 8. Okay, oops. How did I get that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, 75, not 78. 75. Okay. I want to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, more on the floor. I can't do it. So I need to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to take one of these 10s away. I'm going to move it over here. So I'm going to stick a 10 right in front of that 5, and it's going to make it 15. I'm going to swap these out so we can see better, okay? We know, I think this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? So now I swap this out. Now I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have my original 5 that I had. And then I added 10 more, and I just stuck that there. So now I can do 15 minus 8. Now I have more on the top, so I'm good. And then 6 minus 2 is 4, okay? So let's take a look here. Okay, 22 minus 15, okay? Okay. 22 minus 15 ignore the tens. 2 minus 5. I have more on the floor. I need to go next door. I cannot take 5 away. 1, 2, okay, I'm out of choices, okay? I'm gonna have to take one of these tens and stick it over here and give myself 12. Then I can take it away. But see, 10 plus 12 still equals 22. I'm not changing the total I have. I'm just regrouping it. I'm taking one of these tens, which leaves me with 1, and I'm sticking that 10 in front of that number so it now becomes 12. Okay, now I can swap it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 12. I'm left with 110. I can take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which leaves me with 7. And 1 minus 1 is nothing. Okay? 44 minus 17. So I have 4 tens and 4 ones. Okay? I want to take away 7. I can't do it. I only have 4. So I have more on the floor. I need to go next door, take one of these, which leaves me with 3, and stick a 1 right in front of that. Now I have 14. I'm just going to take this 10 here. I'm going to turn it into 10 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so I'm just going to swap that out. Okay, so now I have my 10 plus my 4, so I have 14. I can take away 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, which leaves me with 7, and 2 minus 1 leaves me, or 3 minus 1 leaves me with 2. Okay? Let's take a look at the bottom here. Okay, 132 minus 29. So I have 100, which is 10 tens put together. Let's scoot this up a little bit. Okay, 100, 3 tens, and 2 ones. Okay, I'm gonna ignore my hundreds and my tens. 2 minus 9. I have more on the floor. I must go next door and get 10 more. So I'm gonna take away one of these tens and stick it in front there, which leaves me with 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so now I have 12. I want to take away 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I must have had way more than 12 to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I must have had 4 over here. Okay, so I had my 2. I moved one of my 10s and stuck it over here. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus my original 2. Now I have 12. So let me take away 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay? 12 minus 9 equals 3. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 minus nothing equals 1. I am left with 103. Let's take a look at this last one. 362 minus 175. So we got 2 ones, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 hundreds. Okay? So I have, you can see them 1, 2, 3. My 300s. Beep. Okay, so ignore my 10s and my 100s. 2 minus 5. More on the floor. I need to go next door, get 10 more. So I'm going to take one of these, which leaves me with 5, and I'm going to stick it right there. Now I have a 12. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so I'm going to swap those out. So now I have 12. I want to take away 5, 2, 4, 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, now I move on to the 10s. I have 5 10s. I want to take away 7. Big problem. I don't have 7. I have more on the floor. I need to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to take away one of these hundreds, which is going to leave me with 2. And I'm going to stick it in here, which is really 10 tens, right? Which is what I stuck right there, okay? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have, whoa, an overflowing amount of tens. 15 tens. And I want to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which leaves me with 8. And 2 minus 1 leaves me with 1. Okay, now let's just do one more that to show why regrouping isn't necessary. Let's just say we had 57 minus 25, okay? So let's give ourselves 57. 2, 4, 6, 7. That's 57. Okay, ignore the tens. 7 minus 5. I have more on the top. No need to stop. I have 7. I can take away 5. No problem. That leaves me with 2. And I have 5 tens. I want to take away 2. No problem. Leaves me with 3. So as long as you have more on the top, no need to stop. You can just go ahead and subtract. More on the top, no need to stop. But here you had more on the floor when you just had a 2 up here. If you have more on the floor, you've got to go next door, take away one of the numbers there and stick a 10 in front of that number. Okay? Good job.